So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your in-cabin air filter. If you open up your Tacoma on the passenger side, you're going to want to open up your compartment, remove what is inside, and then you're gonna see this little piece of it's a little black tray. So you're gonna wanna pull that black tray out. And then inside of your compartment, you're going to see this black looking cover. You're going to want to slide it up and pull it out. It's gonna look like this. And then inside your compartment, you're going to see your in-cabin air filter. There's two little clips on the side. You're gonna want to undo them so you can pull it out. And this is what the cover looks like. And then from there, you're going to pull out your air filter. This is what mine looks like. And then you're going to get a new air filter, and you're going to stick your air filter back in the same way that you pulled it out. You're going to take your cover and you're going to make sure it goes back in facing this way. You're gonna put it back in, make sure it clips on both sides, the left and your right. In this case, that's my left and that's my right. And then you're gonna wanna take the in-cabin air filter cover, you're gonna wanna put it back in. When you put it back in, you're gonna wanna make sure you have it all the way up at the top, and then you're going to slide it down into place. And when you hear the click, you know it's good to go. And then you're going to take your compartment tray, that's this looking thing, and then you're going to just attach it back in place. And when you attach it back in place, it's going to look like this. And when you're done, you just close your compartment back up. And that's how you replace your in-cabin air filter on your Tacoma 3rd generation.